From starting out on a 32-foot carver and living on it for the summer, spending plenty of time with my friends, to working and now living on a 40-foot Bestway trawler. Stay tuned as I continue to fix up and one day, hopefully, toss the lines. I'm Tucker, and this is Trashy Tuckers. Alright, what's up guys? Trashy Tucker here. So my goal for today, I'm going to be sanding the inside of the boat and hopefully getting down the first layer of primer today, and then maybe tomorrow getting some paint down. So I'm just going to hand sand the inside. I don't really think I need to break a power sander, plus I don't feel like dealing with that mess. So gonna be a lot of hand sanding, and then yeah, we'll get some paint on there. Let's get to work, got a lot to do. Alright, it's a mess in here, but sanding down this area and then the area behind that couch. So it's a lot. Don't mind that door, the whole thing's gonna get replaced. I'm not gonna try and sand over that because ain't no fixing that. But yeah, all that stuff we can fix. So got a lot of sanding to do. I don't know what I just tried to unscrew, but it's through bolted, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Oops. You enjoying being outside? You enjoying being outside while I'm in here working? Psst. What are you doing? How about you, Lily? You enjoying being out here? Alright, I've spent probably the last hour just taping everything off. It's a lot more than I thought. But we got her taped, start getting the primer all ready. We're gonna get after it. Let's do it. Yeah, it's a lot of tape all around. I'm only gonna go to that railing today. I'm gonna save the kitchen for later because I still gotta do some work. But all this tape, all around there. It's a lot of tape. Alright, got a layer of primer on this side. It's looking pretty good. I'm leaving a gap down there because I'm going to put trim on. Just painting to the floor. But yeah, it's looking good. Now we go over there. Alright, we got the primer on the living room area. Like I said, I'm cutting it off right there because that way I can put all my living room stuff back. I'm just chilling out. I'll put my living room stuff back, take the stuff out of the kitchen, put it up here, and then I can do the kitchen area. But it looks pretty good. So what I'll do, I'll go to the gym tomorrow morning, get my breakfast and all that stuff ate up, and then I will put a coat of paint on in the morning and a coat of paint on in the afternoon, and we'll be good. So I'll see you in the morning. Alright, it is now Monday. I just got back from the gym, had myself some breakfast, some coffee. Start scuffing up this primer with the hand sander, just sand a little bit just so I can get some grip on it. And then, yeah, we're going to get that first layer of paint on. I'm hoping I can get a layer on before lunch, let it dry, and then hopefully after lunch I can put on another layer. And then the living room area will be good. So yeah, that's the goals for today. Let's see what we can do. So I turn my back for 5 seconds, and looky there, we have paw prints all the way around. I cleaned up some of them already. All the way around to here. Thank you, Lily. Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate that. Got the first layer of paint on. Thinking it looks really good. Lily. Lily! Already mad at you because you got your white paw prints everywhere and I got to clean that up. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. So I'm going to eat some lunch. And then I put the next coat on and start touching things up. Alright. Time for coat number 2. Let's get at it. Alright, got the second coat on, and I don't know, I might have to do a third one. I'm not quite sure yet. So I'm gonna run out the road, do some errands real quick and let this dry. Lily, please don't rub up against the wall again. And yeah, I'll see what it looks like when I get back. Might have to put a third coat on. Guess who fell overboard? Decided to get a little too adventurous and scared the hell out of me. Lily. Poor girl. Did you fall overboard? Alright, yeah, it's been about 2 weeks since I recorded any of that. I did a lot more painting that I just didn't put on camera because I didn't feel like it. I just wanted to get the stuff done. So, but I got the living room done. I got part of the kitchen done. I'll show you that real quick. Yeah, so this is the living room. Got everything back together. There's Callie getting cat hair on everything as usual. Did all this, all that, and that's where I stopped at. So I have that area and the cabinets left to do. But yeah, I think everything turned out pretty good. Get the kitchen done, get the cabinets painted. I think we'll be done with the interior. Then we get to start working on the outside. So, working on the next video now. I think y'all are really gonna like it. It is interesting. So, but yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the painting. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Keep it trashy.